The Electric Garage brings you an in-depth look at the CV-22 Osprey, a unique tiltrotor aircraft that combines the speed and range of a fixed-wing airplane with the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter designed for special operations missions. The CV-22 is a crucial asset for military forces worldwide. Powered by two Rolls-Royce A1107C Liberty engines, the CV-22 Osprey delivers an impressive 6,140 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 509 km per hour and a range of over 1,600 km. The tiltrotor design enables the aircraft to take off and land like a helicopter but transition to airplane mode for high-speed and long-range travel. This makes it ideal for missions requiring rapid deployment over vast distances. The CV-22 is equipped with advanced avionics and navigation systems, including terrain-following radar that allows it to fly at low altitudes in challenging environments. Its fully digital glass cockpit provides pilots with real-time data, enhancing situational awareness and mission effectiveness. The aircraft also features integrated defensive systems, including radar warning receivers and countermeasure dispensers to protect against threats in combat zones. With a spacious cabin, the CV-22 can transport up to 32 troops or 9,000 kg of cargo, making it highly versatile for personnel transport, medical evacuations, and equipment deployment. Its rear ramp allows for quick loading and unloading of vehicles and supplies, while its aerial refueling capability extends its operational range for long-duration missions. Built to withstand harsh conditions, the CV-22 Osprey is designed for high-risk special operations, including infiltration, extraction, and resupply in hostile environments. Its ability to hover and land in confined areas makes it an invaluable tool for missions where traditional aircraft cannot operate. The reinforced airframe and advanced flight control systems provide exceptional maneuverability and reliability, ensuring mission success even in extreme conditions. The Osprey's cutting-edge design and combat-ready capabilities make it a standout aircraft in modern military aviation. Its combination of speed, range, and vertical takeoff ability sets it apart from conventional helicopters and transport planes, making it a critical asset for rapid response operations worldwide. As technology continues to evolve, the CV-22 Osprey remains at the forefront of military aviation, with ongoing upgrades enhancing its performance and survivability. Whether executing special operations, delivering humanitarian aid, or conducting search and rescue missions, this aircraft proves its versatility and effectiveness on every mission. To see more incredible aircraft reviews and high-performance vehicles, subscribe to the Electric Garage. Stay tuned for more exclusive content on aviation innovation, supercars, and cutting-edge technology.